In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar graph in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and then open the workbook that contains the data you want to turn into a bar graph. Before creating the chart, take a moment to make sure your worksheet is set up clearly. Your data should be organized in columns, and each column should have a clear header at the top. For example, you might have one column for product names and another for sales numbers. Keeping your data clean and labeled properly helps Excel understand exactly what should appear in the chart. Once your data is ready, select the full data range you want to use. Click and drag to highlight everything, including the column headers. This step is important because those headers often become the labels in your graph, which makes the chart much easier to read. After your data is selected, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where Excel keeps all of its chart and visualization tools. In the Charts group, click Insert, Column, or Bar Chart. From there, look under the Bar section and choose 2D Bar. Then select the style you want to use, such as Clustered Bar. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically generate a bar graph using the data you selected. Now that the chart is created, you can customize it so it looks more polished and communicates your information yet more clearly. Use the Chart Design and Format tabs to make adjustments. You can change the chart title to something more descriptive, add axis titles to explain what the bars and categories represent, and update the chart style or colors so it matches your presentation or report. You can also turn on data labels if you want the exact values to appear on the bars themselves. If the chart is too large or too small, simply move it or resize it until it fits nicely on your worksheet. As a quick tip, keep your formatting simple and readable. A clean chart is usually more effective than one with too many design changes. The goal is to make the data easy to understand at a glance. When you're happy with the result, save your workbook so you don't lose your changes. You can press Ctrl+S or go to File and then Save. That's all it takes to make a bar graph in Excel. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.